Can you tell us, Direct, two items on your listening playlist and then two books that you're currently reading?
Okay. I am finishing Ghost Perfumer. I've been
Mhm.
going in and out of it. Ghost Perfumer. I love perfumes. And I stumbled upon this book. It's the story of a guy. He's not part of the perfume world, but during the pandemic, he started thinking about what's a particular topic that I'm interested in but know nothing about. And he thought, oh, perfumes. So he started just emailing people and doing Zoom calls with perfumers, companies that make perfumes, etc. And then he stumbled upon this really, really great story of how the perfumes are sometimes parang stolen by the companies na hindi recognize mga perfumers. So he was able to track a lot of the perfumes that we all love. And yun pala, it was done by this perfumer and not yung parang ito lang na tao. So
Ah.
it's a non-fiction book. The other
Mhm.
one that I haven't really gotten into it. Maybe I'm only a few chapters in. It's by Will Guidara. I love restaurants. I have so many food, restaurant, eating, cooking books. Um, from French to Spanish to American books. So Will Guidara runs 11 Madison Park before in New York. And si Will Guidara is like the legend. Bata pa siya, but he's like the legend in hospitality. He turned around hospitality in New York by coming up with ideas on how to service customers in a restaurant. Yung parang making sure na gusto-gusto na happy-happy yung one. They were the first one na overhear yung table na nagsasabi, which is also in The Bear, na overhear sa table na last day na natin pala sa New York, hindi man lang ako nakakain ng bagel. And then the waiter heard this, brought it to the kitchen. The kitchen got bagels, bought it, served it, and dinikorahan ng maganda. And served it on the table. Alam mo yan?
Ang galing naman nun.
Uh,
How about pinapakinggan nyo, Direk? Anong pinapakinggan nyo?
playlist ko, so medyo oldies yung playlist ko. Wait, I'll look at it. Pero ang tagal ko na hindi nag-open ng
Ng
Spotify.
Spotify.
Lagi ako
Sa
nagbubukas.
kotse, Direk.
Hindi,
Pag
nagbubukas
buma-
ako lagi ng YouTube.
Ah.
'Di ba? Ang daming nangyayari. Ito. I have
Sus.
Summertime ni Sam
Summer.
Cooke. Sam Cooke is this
Ah.
African-American guy na matagal na. And then, Downtown ni Anya Taylor-Joy.
Meron pala siya, si Anya
Meron
Taylor-Joy.
siya, it's part of a movie.
At
Um,
siya yung
kinanta niya.
nag-perform.
Kinanta niya. Uh,
Okay. Ang galing na,
version niya.
Direk.
Maganda yung version niya.